In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. First of all, select the first row, click margin center, and make a title for this table. It could be any title. Select expense of some individual. That's the title of our table. In the second row, write serial ID, expense type, and amount. This will be the column name of the table. Select center align, go to the theme color and choose a color for the title. Similarly, select a color. Write some serial number. Select some ID. Write some ID. It could be anything. I type 18908642. There may be some format error. Enlarge the column. Select a random ID for all the 5 IDs. Good. Type anything. Right, express type. For the first ID, I select mobile bill, will be the express type. For second, internet bill, write lunch bill. Convenience bill. Mobile. And now write the amount. 1200, 25,000, now select the comma tab. You need to point the decimal point and select currency from general, number type, and select all border. Now select AutoSum function. You need to find the sum of the expenses. And now write a line, select the whole table and bold it. That's the our table.